So now we'll take a step into doing some of these problems where they do not have a picture already drawn for them. The main things to remember is your picture has to have a right triangle. The only way any of this stuff works is if you have a right triangle in the picture. Your picture does not need to be fancy. It doesn't need to have trees drawn into their buildings or any of those things. You can do that if you want to, but you want to spend the most time making sure that the numbers are in the right places. The big thing we want to do is make sure that whatever angle it talks about, angle of elevation, depression, or if it just talks about another angle, make sure the angle goes in the right spot. If the angle goes in the wrong spot, it throws the whole problem off, and you're never ever going to get the right answers. The other thing is you're going to get told numbers about how tall things are, how far away things are, different numbers in the problem. Some of the numbers you're going to know, obviously, definitely where they go. And then some other numbers you're maybe not going to be sure about. Maybe something you've never heard about before. Put the numbers you understand first and place the ones that are harder that maybe you're not sure where they are last because you'll be able to narrow it down. That's the best thing that you can do when you're trying to place the actual numbers onto the diagram. Realistically, in any exam or something like that, you're going to get a problem that probably has a picture and a problem that probably doesn't have a picture. So you're going to have to be able to do both of these things. So it's not okay, high score wise if you can only do one of the things. If the picture's there, you can put the numbers. You don't want to be in that situation. You want to be able to draw it. Bottom line is, if you're not sure what the picture looks like, draw a right triangle. Any right triangle you can think of, and then try to get the numbers where they would make the most sense based on the words, and then you probably should be able to get the right answer. Because it usually doesn't matter what the picture looks like as long as it has a right angle.